Papalapit na ang final leg ng 2017 National Basketball Training Center Tournament. At mula sa mahigit 800 teams, 24 teams na lang ang natitira at lalaban para maging 2017 NBTC champion. Narito ang report.
The North All-Stars
Matapos ang partisipasyon ng mahigit 800 high schools sa first phase ng NBTC, 24 teams na lang ang itinuturing na top contenders ng dalawang dibisyon ng 2017 NBTC League Tournament. Habang papalapit na ang final leg, 8 kuponan na lamang mula sa NCR ang natitira sa Division 1. Sa Division 2 naman, mula sa iba't ibang panig ng bansa, 16 teams na lang ang magtutuos. Kabang-abang ang bawat matchup para sa open title, lalo na at bigong makapasok ang Division 1 defending champions NU Bullpups. Ngayon pa lang, matunog na ang rematch ng San Beda Red Cubs at NCAA defending champs Malayan Red Robins sa pamumuno ni na Coach JB Sison at Coach Randy Alcantara.
First time namin dito sa NBTC at talagang excited na kami itong makalaro. Especially, narinig namin ng mga international high school players, darating high school team. So, yun, magandang experience sa amin para this coming season sa NCAA.
Kahit na twice na kami nag-runner-up lang, good experience sa akin and personally tsaka sa mga players ko and as a whole team. National championship to I'm sure competitive lahat, which ganun din kami. So, talagang kailangan lang mag-prepare for every game.
Nariyan din ang FEU Baby Tamaraws ni Coach Alan Albano na kinoronahang UAP Season 79 Juniors Champions at ang Ateneo de Cebu na naghari sa CESAPI. Nasa Division 1 din ang 4 na international teams. Yan ay ang Camp David mula sa New Zealand, PhilAm Sports USA, Ospinoy One Solutions mula Australia at Crossover Sports Canada. Sa Division 2 naman, lahat ng mata ay nasa defending champs last season, ang De La Salle Lipa, led by Coach J. Rex Atienza.
Last year experience was indeed very big for the team. NBTC now is a big thing, especially in Batangas, because of the outcome that we were national champions. So right there and then, qualifying for the second time around for the 10th edition of NBTC is already quite difficult. As I have said to my boys, coming here is just a bonus for us. So whatever will be the result, then again, we put everything to God's hands, and especially the effort of my players.
Bumisita rin at nagbigay ng advice sa mga batang basketballista ang ilan sa mga NBTC alumni tulad ng 2015 MVP Josh Sinclair, Ateneo Star 30 Ravenna, Letran Knight Ray Nambatak at former King Eagle ng Ateneo na si Kiefer Ravenna. Ayon kay Kiefer, malaking tulong ang kanyang karanasan bilang miyembro ng unang NBTC batch noong 2007 at naging bahagi ito ng kanyang success sa collegiate level at sa kanyang mga susunod na laban kasama ang Alab Pilipinas sa ASEAN Basketball League.
Experience ko doon, looking back, it helped me a lot. Helped me develop being surrounded with great players, with teammates na talagang magagaling din. Most of them are already in the PBA. Very thankful ako na nakapagsali ako sa isang programang ganito. Siguro dun sa mga supporters ng Alab and dun sa mga tao looking forward for me playing sa Alab, hopefully I get the chance to play for the team and represent the country. Hopefully my hand gets well and mapayagan ako sa commitment ko sa States with no conflicts at all. So I can, play for the country and help Alab Pilipinas win a championship sa ASEAN Basketball League.
Ipapalabas ang Division 1 at 2 Finals via live stream sa March 16, 2 p.m. sa sports.abs-cbn.com at 6 p.m. sa ABS-CBN SNA.
Hi guys, keep watching The Score for the latest sports updates and don't forget to subscribe to the ABS-CBN Sports in Action YouTube channel.